So a super quick market update just to prepare for the overall trading week. I am watching my daughter right now as my lady is out of town. So I don't have too much time, but I'm going to make it super short and sweet. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I really hope that you guys learned something new in this video. And if you do, please consider dropping a thumbs up. So first off, what are the series of reports, economic reports that are going to be released this week? The biggest one that I'm paying attention to, I do intend to live stream it for free on my YouTube channel. I'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys get this video to over 1,000 likes on Wednesday, and this is September 13th, 1 hour before the market opens at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time or at 5:30 a.m. Arizona time. So I just want to make sure enough people show up. So if you guys get this video to over 1,000 likes, I'll host that free live stream. CPI data report, which is known as the inflation report, is going to be released 1 hour before the market opens. This is single-handedly probably one of the most important consistent economic reports that is released on a monthly basis. This will kind of determine if inflation is going up or going down. It doesn't kind of determine that, it does, but it will also kind of determine how aggressive the Federal Reserve is going to be on the next FOMC meeting, right? The Federal Reserve are the people in charge in deciding if they're going to raise rates, making it more expensive for people like you and I to borrow money, or less expensive, or therefore potentially pausing, right? And based off of Jerome Powell's last speech, he said that he will continue to work with the Federal Reserve and take data as it comes and then make decisions on future rate hikes or pauses, again, based off of what data is presented. So can there be a future rate hike that's not already factored in? Of course, especially if inflation comes in way higher than what was expected. Now, other than that, again, I don't have anything super significant on the federalreserve.gov calendar for this specific week. The only other thing that I can take into consideration is on the technical side. Now, this is 100% my opinion, but a lot of you guys like to ask what my thoughts are of current market conditions, right? This is QQQ, which has a focus on the overall NASDAQ market. Remember, NASDAQ has a big focus on tech. And if NASDAQ market drops, it will drop all other individual stocks as well. If NASDAQ market rises, then it can also help other tech companies rise as well. This is why I like talking about NASDAQ. As of right now, on the 1 hour time frame for QQQ, we're at the moving average. So I think this week will determine based off of what is released on Wednesday. And don't be surprised if on Monday and Tuesday, the days are kind of stagnant because we're all waiting for that CPI data report. So there's things that can get factored in advance and people can set their expectation. But overall, as of right now, we're at the moving average and we're at the EMA line. So we do not know if we're going to begin to recover, and we do not have any confirmation of a recovery just yet, right? You can see this very beautifully that all of last week, we were showing signs of lower highs, lower lows, and then now we're consolidating. This is what I like to call a critical point. It's not confirmed that we're going to break above. It's not confirmed that we're going to break below. We simply have to wait for confirmation. You guys know, out of all people, I don't like to try to predict the future. I like to prepare for it. I like to stay cash, and then when direction is clear, if we're going up, I'll go long. If we're going down, I'll short the market. And I have no shame in sharing that, right? Why try to overcomplicate trading when you can keep it super simple? As you guys could hear, my daughter's playing the guitar in the back. But other than that, again, I just wanted you guys to understand that the market right now is very indecisive. We do not know if we're going to be bullish or if we're going to be bearish, so there's no reason to overcomplicate it. I'll keep you up to date with these daily uploads, and especially if you don't want to miss out on that CPI data report live stream, I would love to host that. Just get this video to over 1,000 likes, and that will be, again, that will be for free on the YouTube channel. But if you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow when the market opens, I trade live every single day, and that's the second link in the description down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions whatsoever, even before joining our LPP team, shoot me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram, and that's the first or third link in the description down below. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.